I gotta lift up on it. Okay. Okay, there we go. What's going on, man?
How you doing?
Oh yeah, you done did something else since last time.
Oh yeah, changed the whole dasher up.
Yeah, it looked real good.
Stepping up the truck.
Oh yeah, it's nice.
You remember that windshield kept on gluing, so we fixed that issue.
Oh yeah, yeah. I was just whole deal anyway.
Yeah.
You said you was
Yeah, we did the roof, the dash, portfolio, yellows. Yeah, we did
Hey, and they like this one though. They did like this build in the videos. I remember that. Well, let them know what you got in here again, man.
I got 24 Cmk 12s and 4 Synergy 6500s.
Okay. Yes, sir.
I just wanna break up all your shit. Call, tone, click, and fucking little fake.
Loves that 40 in the mid-20s.
Yeah, yeah. You taking to any more shows this year? You drove from Florida, right?
Yeah. I know Love for Lowe's in Florida and then State Finals.
They found okay.
After that, it's gonna get painted. And,
Yeah,
you know.
yeah. I know I see you next time. It'll be some things done again.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. It was good seeing you, bro.
That's always
Thank
good
you, man.
seeing you.
Appreciate you. Yeah, lift up on it.